2019 Chevrolet Silverado pickup was unveiled just in time to take on the new Gen 1500 and Ford's updated F-150 bestseller. This year's Detroit Auto Show is packed full of iconic nameplates that wouldn't even frown when faced with any sort of rough terrain. From the previously mentioned pickup trucks, all the way to the new G-Wagen, running out of tarmac shouldn't be a problem. Compared to its predecessor, the 2019 Silverado is less conservative and features stronger character lines. For a more rugged look, go for the LT Trail Boss, which adds the suspension lift, locking rear diff and skid plates. Unlike the exterior, the cabin of the all-new Silverado isn't too different than it was before, influenced strongly by customer feedback, while packing an extra 3 inches of rear leg room for crew cab models. Power unit choices will include new 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter V8 options, as well as a 3.0-liter Duramax turbodiesel, where the latter could end up to be the best performing diesel in the segment, according to GM exec Mark Roos. This could mean that it will feature higher power and torque numbers than Ford's new 3.0-liter Power-Stroke diesel V6, rated at 250 horses and 440 pounds-foot, 596 Newton-meters.